This video is strictly for educational purposes only. We are educating the public about information found freely online. What's going on, guys? It's Cable Killer here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Morph TV and Phoenix TV APKs. And don't forget, guys, if you want to support this channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like this video. Be sure to push that bell notification to be notified anytime we post new content. If you struggle to get any of these apps on your own device, feel free to buy a device from us and you can easily follow along these videos. We also keep a donate button at the bottom of each page. If you don't want to donate your own money, feel free to click any of these links we have on our website. While it's definitely not required, it helps us stay motivated to make videos just like these. But enough of me talking about it, let's jump on into it. How are y'all doing today? How y'all like the green screen? It's something new I'm trying out. I'm trying to expand the channel. We're going to be making more videos here soon. Now you guys can see me and it can be a little more interactive. Today we're going to be talking Morph TV and Phoenix TV. They have made an announcement that they are both merging together and they are going to basically both be Morph TV now, just to give you guys a better experience. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Once you update Morph TV, you can see here that you can see what I'm talking about here. And once you update it, you're going to want to uninstall the old version. So that's pretty nice, guys. They're coming together to give you a better experience. So it's kind of sad. I'm kind of sad to see Phoenix go, but since they're merging, I mean, technically it's not going. But here you can see on Phoenix, when you open up Phoenix, you have an update here. And when you go to update it, I'm just going to show you guys. And once you download the update, you can see up here that it actually is Morph TV. So honestly, I don't recommend downloading it from there since it's the 1.75 version. But you could go ahead and delete Phoenix TV since they are merging with Morph. Let me see if I can find it here. Go ahead and uninstall Phoenix. And just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall Morph TV as well. Okay, now we're going to open up the Google Chrome. Okay, now that we're in Google Chrome, go ahead and type in www.cablekill.us. And once you're on the website, you can see that we have the most recently updated APKs here. And here you can see Morph right here. But if it's not right here at the time that you're watching this video, come up here and go to Android apps, movies and TV shows, and then just scroll down until you find Morph TV. Here you can see it's right here. And once you scroll down just a little bit, you can see we made a quick note. Morph and Phoenix have merged their apps together. You can see when it was last updated, and you can see the app version here. So if you're on an Android device, go ahead and select this Android APK. If you're on a Fire Stick, go ahead and select that download there. Since we're on an Android device, we'll go ahead and select this one here. You can see that it's downloading. Alright guys, and now you'll go to your file browser, and here you can see is the link that we just downloaded, so just click that and install it. If you're on a Fire Stick, you can use the downloader app, and as always, we're going to have a couple of videos in the link of this video, description of this video to show you how you can install this on your Fire Stick. And how do you guys like the green screen? I want to know your guys' opinions. It's going to open up some more availabilities that I can make videos about. I can show you guys more things, be more interactive with you guys. As you know, my original channel got deleted, so I'm just taking steps to further this YouTube channel. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys are happy with the merge or if you guys are disappointed to see Phoenix go. Just let me know in the comments, guys. As always, you can go to www.cablekill.us. Y'all have a good one.